Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Today, we're going to be talking about a must-have kitchen item, the oil spray bottle for cooking. This little device is an absolute game changer when it comes to cooking, camping, barbecue, baking, and even for adding a touch of flavor to your favorite dishes. What sets this oil spray bottle apart from the rest is its more precise and smooth spray head, along with a straw that has a filtering function. This means you'll get an even coat of oil every single time, without any sputtering or uneven distribution. It's perfect for adding just the right amount of oil to your pans, grills, and baking dishes. The bottle is made of premium PET material, ensuring that it is durable and long-lasting. Plus, it comes in two sizes, 200 ml and 300 ml, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. And with each purchase, you'll receive one oil spray bottle to add to your kitchen arsenal. Now, I know what you're thinking: why do I need this oil spray bottle when I can just pour oil from the bottle? Well, let me tell you, this little tool is a game changer. Not only does it help you save on oil usage by providing a more even distribution, but it's also great for those who are looking to cut down on calories. With this oil spray bottle, you'll be able to use less oil while still getting that perfect flavor and texture in your food. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, I highly recommend picking up the oil spray bottle for cooking. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. You can find the link to purchase this amazing oil spray bottle in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your cooking experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.